What's up, YouTube? Ezo here from Ezo Exotics, back with a tutorial on some shoes. This is a new video. This ain't about snakes. But go ahead and check out the channel. Live fittings up and new videos coming soon. So first, what you want to do is make sure you place your sole protector on a flat surface to where you can blow dry it. Next, you want to make sure that you heat your sole protector up until all the sides are curling inwards. Remember, I said all the sides. Don't be like me. You don't want to be frustrated with this shit. Next, you want to make sure that you firmly press all your sides and all your cracks and dips on the sole of your shoe. Make sure it gets all in all those good places. You want to reheat it after it's already applied to your shoe, just to finalize that stickiness and to seal it off. Lastly, you just want to repeat it to the other shoe. I hope I helped you out. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, leave a like, comment, subscribe, whatever you want to do. Let me know some other videos or tutorials y'all might want to be walked through or y'all want to see. I want to shout out Sole Protectors for keeping me protected out here. Most definitely recommend to any sneakerhead. You can't go wrong getting these for your icy bottom shoes. And don't forget to check out my social media. I keep and breed snakes. My snake page is at Ezo Exotics, EZZO Exotics. And my main page is YFN_Eric with 2 Ks, ERIKK.